In a peaceful forest, a little bird named Chiku was born, but he couldn't fly. While others soared high, Chiku stayed on the ground, feeling weak and different. One day, a sudden fire broke out in the forest. Flames spread everywhere. Animals ran in panic, but Chiku was trapped, surrounded by fire. With no escape, he climbed a tree, his last hope to survive. The fire got closer. His heart raced. I have to try. He jumped, but for a moment he fell. Then suddenly his wings spread wide. The wind lifted him. Chiku was flying for the very first time. That day he learned fear can unlock your greatest strength. The moral of the story is sometimes your biggest fear unlocks your greatest strength.